In front of me is ASUS Zenfone Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can change your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. Now select Keyboard Settings and scroll down to access Keyboard Theme. Following that, you can click on Featured, Free or Paid and access the best keyboard for you. I will go with this one. When you're ready, hit Download, wait and tap on Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. You can access the same settings by clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top. To go back to your keyboard, click on this icon of a person with a heart. Select the default. Tap on Apply under one of those default keyboards and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!